Hello friends, welcome back to our new video training session. I am Akshay Medhekar and you are watching my YouTube channel Akshay Medhekar Blogs. In today's session we are going to learn how to create histogram in Excel, and we are also going to see the type of histogram. Okay, so before starting off this session, my humble request to all of you, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's begin, guys. Histogram. Through histogram, we can able to see the distribution of data over the continuous interval or certain time period, and the histogram is the best frequency distribution tool. So you can also watch my videos on 70 quality control tools to more information on histogram and other 6 quality control tools as well. So we'll here our more focus on how to create this histogram in Excel. So I'm just changing the sheet. So here you can see our specification is 9 plus minus 5. We can say mm, and here are the values. We have taken 55 values from our line related to the anything, related to the bore, related to the OD. We can say ID, OD, and anything specification we can take. So you can see that we have taken 55 numbers of data set from the line. The minimum for histogram, you can take minimum of 30, maximum of 100, and you can take more data set as well. So specification. So 9 plus minus 5. So here are our readings. So from this value, we need to calculate maximum value, minimum value, and then interval. Through this interval, we need to calculate the limit value, and from that limit we need to check how many data set are falling in that limit. So you can say 5 to 6.51, how many data values are falling this in that number. So you can set 8. So that like that we need to create one table. From this table we need to create an histogram. So this is one method, and there is another method also. We can see how to create histogram through that method as well. So now we'll see how to create this histogram. So I already created a blank data sheet where I already copied the values from the previous data sheet. So from that value we need to calculate maximum value. So is equal to maximum. So you need to select these numbers, enter. So yeah, maximum value of 14. So minimum value from this table. So minimum. So again select these values, enter. So from that table we can get 14 is the maximum value, 5 is the minimum value. So count. Count means how many data set we have. So we select count. So 51. Now we need to calculate the interval. So is equal to, in bracket, 14 means max value minus minimum value 5 divided by 8. So 8 so 8 to 10 is the good value to create an histogram. So 8 bar, or you can say. So that's why I select taken 8. So interval is the 1.1.1.125. Okay. So we need to calculate the limit. For limit you need to take first minimum value as the 5, and then we need to add interval to the minimum value. So it's plus 1.125. So it is 1.6125. Now again this we have to done till maximum value. Okay, so now 5 is our minimum value, 14 is our max value. Now we need to calculate the frequency. For that, you need to click on this column, or you can say cell, and then you need to go to the formula. From there, more function, statistical, and here you need to look and select frequency. So for data array, you need to select these values again, array from this to till last, and then bin array. So bin array is our limit value. Okay, so you can see our here the frequency 8. So 5 to 6.1.5 to 6.125, there are 8 numbers of occurrence for this value. So 8. So now we need to select this all, go to here, and then Control Alt Enter. So we can get all the values to be filled automatically. Okay, now we need to create histogram through this value. So for that, insert column, 2D column, I need to select a blank sheet first. I'm just zooming it. Okay, now right click, select data. I need to create, select frequency. Okay, now you can see our bar graph is ready. It is now the histogram. So for that, you need to click on anything, format data series, and gap width you need to select to no gap, and then border color solid, here you can say black, border style you can. Okay, so now you can see our histogram. uh, so I am just deleting this series. We also do not require these lines, so I'm just deleting it. Okay, there. Now you can also add value to the this histogram. So our histogram is ready. You can see it is in type, you can see uniform. So our the type of histogram is uniform. Okay, so this is the one method through which you can create an histogram. And also one more the point has left. So you need to select, you have to change this x-axis as per the limit value. So for that, you need to again go to select data. Here you can say horizontal edit. You have to select this, and okay. So ready. We are ready with our histogram value. And one more, there is a one more way in that we can create a histogram. So we'll see. We'll again create this create copy of this chart. So here you can see the dashboard 3. We'll delete this graph. Okay, will remaining will keep as it is. So for that you need to go to data, and you can see here you can see you're not seeing any data analysis tool. So for that, file, option, then add-ins. So you can, here you can see Excel add-ins. So in drop down menus there are so many add-ins. So you need to select Excel add-ins, go analysis tool pack, and OK. So you can see data analysis tool. So from that data analysis, you need to select this histogram. OK. Now input range. So again you need to select this input range. Now bin range. Again bin range means limit. So till this table you have to you have to follow as per the previous guidelines. Then chart, here you can open output range. You need to select this. You can select on anything and OK. So you can see it is automatically created in histogram, but it is again a bar chart as we discussed earlier. So here also you need to select this format data series. Here you can select no gap, then border, solid, black, and style is the width you can increase. So here also you can add labels, and here so here you don't have to select this x-axis and x-axis again, so it is automatically created. So these are the two methods to create an histogram. Now one is left, type of histogram. So you can see there are almost 6 type of histogram. You can see symmetric. So here you can see it is a symmetric or on the axis, left screwed and right screwed. Uniform is bimodal. So you can see there are two higher points in this graph. So it is bimodal and multimodal. So it is there are more than two. So you can see higher points. So we can call it a multimodal. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to press like button and also share this video within your friends, colleagues, so they can also learn how to create this histogram in Excel. And last but not the least, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Akshay Medhekar Vlogs. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.